Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off personalized ads on Facebook. If you're seeing ads on Facebook that seem tailored to your interests, you can limit ad personalization through your Facebook settings. So here's how. So open the Facebook app and tap your profile picture or the menu icon in the bottom right. Then in here, scroll down and select settings and privacy. Then from here, tap on settings. Now under your account, tap account center. Then from here, tap on Add Preferences. Next, at the top, select Manage Info. Then review options such as information used to show you ads, ads shown outside of Meta, and other settings. So let's go to information used to show you ads. So click on categories used to reach you. Then from here, so under profile information, so select one and make sure it is set to no. So make sure everything is set to no. And that's it. Now scroll down and under categories associated with you, make sure you remove all of this. So click on remove, just like so, and make sure you do it for the others. So just click on remove just like that. You can also click view all and remove them one by one. Let's go back. Then from here, tap on activity from other businesses. Then set it to don't allow us to use this activity to show you relevant content. Click on confirm. Next, after activity from other businesses, so let's go to ads shown outside of Meta and click ads in other apps. Then select don't allow us to show you ads in other apps. Then go back, then select ads about Meta and set it to don't use my activity to show me ads about Meta and click on confirm. Then scroll down and go to other settings. Then scroll down and click your profile and set it to only me. So set it to only me and also this one. So set everything to only me. And that's basically it. So that's how you can turn off personalized ads on Facebook. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.